Baka mamaya wala na namang laman. Sabihin, ay, wala palang pera ito. Sinibili.
Pero ako naman yung back, yung ano eh,
Sa kabila.
sa phone.
Ah. Daming tao. Ah, kasi weekend. Pumunta tayo sa Baskin. Bibili tayo ng ice cream cake ng birthday girl.
We're supposed to see your ice cream times.
Let's add it. Let's wrap it up. Can I get a sample?
Okay, cake first. Okay, ito muna. No, not like that.
What? No.
What ice cream cake you want?
Does this have coffee in it?
I think so. Wala na bang ano yun? Yung puti na yun. Gusto mo yun? Parang
The
napaka-ano
Oreo
naman.
cake in the back? In the back of this?
The
Oreo
white
cake?
one? The Oreo? No, that's too small.
Too small.
Ah, I know.
The truffle. And the truffle.
Yun na lang.
Alin?
Yun na sa taas. Gusto mo yun?
Alin yung nasa likod?
Oo.
Ano ba ice cream yan? Choco raspberry ice cream. Wait,
Choco raspberry.
choco raspberry yung...
How about the other one?
Yun din.
Ah, pareho. Dito sa baba. Ayun, ano yun? Yung nasa likod. Okay, you choose.
I'm fine with it.
You choose, baby.
This one.
Boss, can we put a happy birthday on this kind of cake?
You can write on the card. You see the card?
Yeah. Ganun na lang daw. Ina-write daw niya dun sa pinahal. The one where it's sitting, right? The one where ice, like this one.
How about like this?
No, it is not like this. It is like this.
Wala nga.
Like this. Here on card.
Ah.
Okay.
So we want to choose this. Yeah.
Ah, this pretty cake.
But I like the one at the back. Okay. Sige na.
This side of her finish it.
No, ganito na lang para ano. This size.
No, but I want to eat it like all in the bucket.
No. Maano ka naman na. May gusto mong magkaroon ng sugar. Ang laki ng Nutella, oh. Oh, malaki.
Baby, you can choose two flavors. So one mint chocolate and
Waiting?
I'm so excited.
so ano daw?
Excited.
Cookies and cream and mint chocolate.
Okay. Okay. Where's the mint chocolate? How about this?
Here.
Pistachio almond.
Mint cream and mint chocolate. This is my favorite.
Ay, no, baby.
Is
Teka,
the...
Ito mo yung mga yan.
Yes.
May
Akala
naman
ko...
ice cream yan, wala.
Akala ko yung paresan.
Kaya ako nalilito sa'yo eh.
Kaya iniisip ko, paano palalagyan? Palibhasa, hindi mahilig sa ice cream.
They have a huge.
That's what I'm telling Daddy. Excited ang birthday girl. Birthday kasi ni baby tomorrow. So,
Ano? Alin?
ito na lang.
Parang 20 dirhams lang ang difference eh.
Okay.
How many flavors do you want, baby?
We can.
3.
She can have 3 flavors?
Yes, 1, 2, and 3.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, we'll get this. How about you, Kuya? What do you want on your birthday?
Hmm?
What do you want on your birthday?
What's the other flavor?
Okay.
So, she wants the mint chocolate.
Mint?
Mint
Yeah.
chocolate.
Mint chocolate and then the cookies and cream.
Okay.
And one more baby. Choose.
Ano bang masarap pa? How about this one? Pistachio almond.
No, 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 no. No, no, no.
Taste it. Oh, okay. Which one you like?
Can I take a sample of the strawberry cheesecake?
Okay, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Sample?
O, yan na lang. Strawberry cheesecake.
Strawberry cheesecake.
Yeah. Masarap siya.
Can we have some sprinkles on a
Yeah?
Like, I'll give you some.
Yes.
Like, can you put it in this or something?
Yeah, yeah.
I think that's
You need a bag for that?
yes. Later when we come back.
Oh, really?
Buy something.
We'll go to Nesto and then we'll come back.
Yes.
Picture or take that.
Maybe half an hour we'll be out.
I will see you at the
Okay, we'll come back. Thank you.
Kabitin na kami ng ice.
Let's go.
Ay, ako nga. Walang pila. Oh. Tara. Tara.
I think like mix, they put it randomly.
Mamaya, pagbalik.
Like,
Layer?
no, not there. Like space it. Like, this is round, right? Get round. So it's like square, and then you cut it into a circle. And then you cut it into 3 sections. But it's not the layer.
If it's layer,
How will you get to the chocolate at the very end?
I hate it. I hate, like, you know.
Are you happy now?
Yeah.
Huh? Where's baby? Nandun na naman? Bili tayo ulit ng Max. Do we need basket? Hindi na? Okay. Ano? Nuts, tapos sinuksan eh.
Kuya, can you get a basket? I think mommy will need one.
Ah,
Kuya, baka maaari daw.
tingin nga ako ng gulay. Maganda tong kangkong nila, oh.
Yeah. You know what's probably
Oo. Hello. Hi. How are you? How are you? Where's your mom? Where's mom? Hmm?
Banana.
Where?
Banana. Banana.
Bye-bye. Magkano? Ay, ang mahal naman, baby. Huwag na tayong huwag ka nang mag-strawberry. Huwag na mag-strawberry. Ang mahal din.
I'm so mad.
Too much expensive.
Imagine making a whole meal and
Tayo
eat
sa
tomorrow. Meaning that I have
Pakilo mo na muna ito.
Okay, si baby. Go, you and kuya.
I would rather go alone.
Okay. Okay, can you give me 10? 10. 10. Yeah, and give me also pumpkin seeds. Where's Daddy and Daddy? Give me also almond. Brazil nut. 10. Yeah.
Ay, nakamag.
Brazil nut. Mm. Walnut, almond, pumpkin seeds, 5 only, okay? And then mixed nuts. Ilan? 10. Ang layo. Yeah. Thank you. Ano pa? Wala naman tayo. Meron ba silang delights dito? Tingin tayo. Wala, ano? Wala. Okay, wala. Let's go na.
Bayad na?
Yeah. Let's go. Meron pa, marami pa yun. Sige, kuha ka lang. O, kasi kailangan din pagka, ano tayong ganyan.
Ganito.
Oo.
Sige.
Oh, chicken. Panglagay ko sa pansit ko. Hawak ko ang beef. Kalimutan ko na ang aking chicken. Kailangan ko yung tomorrow kasi gagawa ko ng pansit. Luluto ko ng pansit. Fresh chicken. Naku guys, ang mahal na ng mga bilihin. Dati yung chicken na ito is ano lang, mga 8. Ngayon, 11.09 na. Grabe. Ayan o. Marami na naman tayong putputin. Isa lang. Ewan ko, what do you want for dinner? Lasagna? No, that's for tomorrow. No. Bili na tayo dito pag, ano, para
wait. Fried chicken. Pizza.
Mary Brown.
Ako pag na-order dun eh.
O, tara.
Ay, talaga.
Mary Brown.
Hindi, pag na-order ako sa online,
Mas more. Oh, sige. Adi, mag-order ka na dito para pagdating natin doon, ano na siya.
Hindi ko alam.
Ipipick up lang natin yon. Pick upin lang natin yung cake. And then uwi na tayo.
Eh, mag-order pa tayo ng taxi.
Taxi.
Kaya mo ba yun?
Pag lalakarin ba natin, matutunaw pa? Baka matunaw, no? Sayang naman.
Kakawang pa rin. Yung tawag ko, taxi ito lang ang order.
Okay. Where's the guy? Oh, so it's not ready yet?
What's not?
The ice cream. Hindi pa yata tapos. It's not ready yet.
Ice cream already? What do they have to do to it?
They're gonna put it in the bucket.
That looks so good to touch. Yeah, I could just like trust my feet on.
That have like almost crazy food.
Don't forget our sprinkles.
Okay?
Yeah.
This is just free and clean charge for the food.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, please. Ten.
10.
Are you happy? Can you see happy birthday, Bernice? Okay. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Yeah. Yay. Let's go home na. Nagpupo ka ng taxi? Ah, okay.
Watch out there.
Mga ano ko, no? Nakabuk. Magbubuk ka? Wala tayong magbubuka. Saan si baby? Ang bilis dumilig, no? Ako na. Ako na. Oo. Wait. Paupuin mo muna ako. Matanggal na ko pag madilim. Oh, kahit ito. No? Oh. Wala pa naman tayo isang oras, di ba?
Pasit.
Isang oras din tayo?
A little more than that.
Pero wala tayong nabili, no? Konti lang. Ito lang. So, pagdating ko, magbabalot ako ng, ano, dito. Magbabalot ako ng Shanghai. Oh, mag-order ka na ngayon. Para, ano. May discount ka ba?
Oo. Mas maganda pa dito.
Sa online?
Oo.
Yung wings na lang ang kunin mo.
Which one? Can you order?
Chicken wings.
Hindi, makin.
Ako, wala pa taas ng gravy.
Hindi, huwag na.
Hindi na kumuha ng gravy.
Huwag na.
Tapos here. My card.
Wait lang, wait. Wait, kasi baka ano yung cake. Let's go.